This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Yeah. So, the tools and technologies I've worked on as of now. So, these are really the existing tools and resources that we already had. I just joined and saw that these are already there. So, what situation in your infrastructure currently is in? So do you want to migrate to the cloud, or you were already migrated, and do you have all the practices already in place, or what are you expecting from me so that I can actually prepare for that from now on?
Sure. So the applications actually between the on-premises and the cloud, I think you have mentioned multiple times. Some of this we use the managed cluster. Some of this we actually we build the cluster ourselves. The non-production is all the self-managed, and the production is all the cloud managed. And the expectation is all the tools you have been using and you are experienced with, you will be using the similar tools, but the focus will be something different. For the 6 months will be, you will be working in an application with a team 6 months, because this is a very high, the high priority application that we plan to go live in 6 months. I have not asked you about the architectural knowledge between the monolithic and the microservices. Some of the applications we have the monolithic, some of the applications, the platform we are building the microservices. So the knowledge will be different. Our team is team expectation is different. Our architect is not technical. The technical by the architect, but they're not technically the shabby with the tools. So you'll be asked to provide them some tools idea, and you'll be asked why you are recommending those tools, and you'll be also asked sometimes to help them with some tool research and give your own recommendation. As for the expectation for the first 2 months, read a lot of documentation, know the process and the procedure, and then we also align you with the actually development team. You'll be responsible at least for the 3 to 4 months, the development team. The goal is to get engaged, get to know what they're doing, and immediately, as soon as possible, is you start creating the pipeline, because you're looking for somebody create the pipeline so that the development is done. It immediately goes to the staging test environment. QA can be active, and eventually the offline is start working and building the production, the grid cluster. So those are the expectation. You'll be working with our vendors as well, because currently the communication is not effective, because the vendor APIs, the vendor integration. We would like someone like you will be a bridge between the development team and the vendor team, so that it helps you to the deployment, as well as you are communicating the right message with the development team and the vendor team. So these are some of the best practice, something we can expect when someone joining the team.